It's your girl Deanna, and I wanted to come on here and show you this here. Tell me that this here isn't fire. Look at this. I'm gonna go a little bit more in the sunlight so you get to see. I mean, look at this. Yes, it is fire. So I did the same things that I did the first time with my hair. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and click the like and click the subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you are enjoying my videos. I'm looking forward to your comments. I'm looking forward to any advice that you have for me. Feel free to leave it in the comment section. Again, everything that I use will be in the description box. And I want to thank you for tuning in to Deanna's Reality. Have a great one. Take care. Bye. Good morning, everyone. So we are definitely working on this here today. And we're going to get it lighter. Today's day. I did it on Monday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, I waited 2 days, right? So we're gonna get it lighter. And you know my routine. First, you want to comb it out. It is not dropping, like I'm not getting anything in my hands. So that's a good sign. For the first 2 days, I definitely went ahead and moisturized with shea. I already put petroleum jelly around my hair. And we're using this again. Put it in the bowl. 1 scoop. 2 scoop. I'm gonna use 3 scoop. We're using 40% developer. Now, if you did watch my previous video of me dyeing my hair, you'll know that I said that you should definitely make sure that your product is mixed well together and it doesn't have any grain or any lump. You want to make sure that it is well dissolved and mixed. This is good. Ensure you wear your gloves. It's important. Let's just go in to see how the hair is looking. See, it's already starting to get black roots. And that's why I decided to do it today, because it's already growing back. So we really don't want, this. So we're gonna go in. You know, I usually start from the back. So you're going to start from the back. Okay. Okay, after I got that little spill at the back of my neck, I definitely went ahead and put on my cape because I didn't want anything to fall on my clothing or on my skin. So I worked my way from the back and I came to the sides and then around the nape of my hair. if you did watch my previous video, I'm sorry, I did say that those are the harder areas or the more resistant areas. So I continued to apply until the product was completely finished. And then I really went in between and I really tried to work it in with a brush because I wanted to ensure that every part of my hair got the product. I didn't want to leave anything out. So that's what I kept going in and doing, as you can see. The total time it took me from start to finish is 1 hour to get my hair done. Funny story is, I did get a little scared because it wasn't changing color, but I did go in with the blow dryer, the plastic cap, and then the blow dryer, and I blow dried for like 10 minutes on and then took off the plastic cap an additional 10 minutes. My hair is being very resistant right now. So it's been 40 minutes and it is still yellow. After my hair got I thought it was being resistant. Then when I washed it out with a Shimmer Light shampoo, it definitely came together. It was dyed everywhere and I was completely satisfied. If you manage to make it to the end of the video, again, I'm going to list all the products in the description box that I use to wash my hair, to style my hair, and to get this desired look. Any comments, please leave it below. Thank you for watching. God bless.